Hi everybody, Robert here. I had a question about foundations. Well, we've been doing this series on foundations. This is probably going to be our last drawing on this, but there's another type of isolated foundation that we didn't look at, and there was the pile cap. So I've got this drawing here from one of my training manuals, CAD Soft Technologies, Revit for Novices, kind of. Okay, so anyway, here we might want to put some pile caps in this model. So what we do here, we got to bring them in, because if I go into isolated here, I've got it in here, but oh well. If it's not there, this is how you find it. So let's insert. And then this load family here under the cloud. And then you just go in there and pick one of them. So that's basically what I did. But for this, we're going to say for right here in this area, we're going to place these pile caps. So here I'm going to go isolated, structure, isolated. Now, this one is too big. I don't know. So basically what happens if this case comes, this is a 5. I don't need a 5. I just need a 4. So good. We can go in here and grab another one, so we can go through this exercise, because I kind of wanted to. So we will go in the insert, and we'll load a family, or even that. So we needed a 4. And I'm going to go load. Okay, so now I go into my structure and my component. There it is. So that's a 79 by 79. But for this pile cap, we don't want it. It doesn't have to be quite that big. We don't want it that big, as you can see. So this is how we deal with that. I guess you would all know from my other videos. We want to take this guy. I can even place it if I want. That guy there. Okay. And, there you go. I'm in this view, and say I want to place that one right there. That might not be a bad size. We'll say I don't want it that size. I want this to be, what do we have it now at? 79 by 30. Okay, so I want to change this up then. So I'm going to select it, and I'm going to go edit type and duplicate it. And we want to make this a 72 by 72. By 35. We just wipe that out of there, and we'll say OK. And then of course we have to make these dimension changes. So we said, we can just key in the inches here. 72 inches, because I forgot. Oh, this is smaller. Yeah, 72 here inches. Okay. So there we go. So now I want to place these, say here. So this is kind of the end of the structural. We go, we should have done this in the beginning, show how you do this. And you can even, okay, like you can do this as well. You can do this at grid. So I'll go and have my pile cap here. And now we don't want to, let me see, so I can go structure. So I've got that power cap, so I can do it at grid if I want. I will give you the option, but in this case, it's probably better not. It's probably good to not do it the way we're now. So then we want to go here and say isolated, and then we'll select the new one we just created. That one, that guy. And we'll place it there. One there. And one right there. I mean, this all depends on the engineer, but this is kind of sort of the beginning. You know, you have like deep foundations and things. So like if you're looking at 3D view, these piles are driving down, and we can adjust those. Okay, so now we've got those, and then we may need a few more in this instance. So I would probably place them in all of these. So to do that, we can go in here, and again we can go insert. Load this family. We'll get this one a 2 pile cap. Load her in. Okay, so I'll go to my structure component, and it should be there. There it is. I guess that size would be good. I mean, if you don't want that size, you know how to change it. Now I've got it on this point, and I can hit the space bar to rotate it, because that's going to go that way. And we'll place another one here. So I guess you get the feel. These are structural elements that you might not see, but only this is going to be something like in a high rise, or you know. But anyway, y'all get the drift, right? Get how this all works. So that's basically how you would do this. So I would go all the way through here. I would do all of these with this. And you can do this on grid, but they don't necessarily have to be everywhere. Just at the columns. So you might want to place the pile cap at each column here, as you can see going on right over here in this view. So hey guys, I just wanted to do this video on, I even think you can even do K-signs here. I don't know, I haven't seen any K-sign families or anything. Well, I don't know, they might have them. Let's have a look right quick. Because you know you guys know what's going on here. You just place these, and then we want to look at this in a elevation view. So there's our piles, and then these can be adjusted as well. You can select this, and you can modify the depth, edit type here. Okay, that can be adjusted with the levels basically anyway. So, but anyway, guys, just wanted to run you through how we would do isolated pile caps in Autodesk Revit. Hey, y'all, be safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, thanks for watching.